Hello, Merry Christmas. We're going to try to do a homemade Peking duck today. Okay, here's a little bit of background information. The real genuine Peking duck is actually slaughtered in its own very special way. They actually make a small incision here underneath the wings. And then from this small cut, they pull the internal organs out. So the ducks that we buy here, this one is from a 99 range store, is actually cut open on the bottom. Okay, so the real Peking duck, the reason why they do that is to preserve the look. So it's for aesthetic reason as well as practical reason. Because we have this big opening on the bottom here, we're never going to make a genuine, true Peking duck as in the restaurant. But we'll try to make it as close as possible. So the first step, we're going to cut up all. We're going to remove all the feet and the wingtips. Alright, next step, I'm going to use an air compressor to bloat up the duck. Alright. Yeah, by lifting the skin, it will help to make a crispy duck. And also at this point, all the leftover missed roots of feather are exposed, and you can take this time to remove them. Now you heat up some water to stop right before boiling and make this sugar coating sauce by just adding some honey and add a little bit of this red vinegar. And if you don't have this red vinegar, don't sweat. It's really not that important. Now we're going to scald the duck with hot water. After scalding, we're going to sugar coat it. Now leave it hanging in a cool place for minimum 3-4 hours. Alright, this is just a 22-inch standard Weber charcoal grill, and I built this extension to it. It's made out of stainless steel sheet metal. Alright, I put a pan of water on the bottom so the grease drips down, doesn't flash up, and I've also put a little shield on the sides so the bottom doesn't catch on fire, the bottom of the duck doesn't catch on fire, because the bottom is a lot hotter than the top of the grill. Alright. Use the damper on the bottom and top to control the temperature to about 325 to 350 Fahrenheit. Voila! Feliz Navidad! It's about ready.